Okay, I just left Stephanie's parents' house and asked her permission to marry her. Mark said no backsies, so not sure what that's about. But we're gonna continue on. So we're gonna be heading up to the campsite this weekend that her parents stay at. We're gonna stay overnight, and then we're supposed to be going kayaking. We're gonna try to find a lake to go to, and I think that will be the right moment to pop the question. Out on the open water, blue skies, should be a great time. Let's bring you guys along for the adventure. Kayaks ready to go. Just need one more thing in here. There we go. All right, let's do this. Kayaking. We're at Crystal Pond, not Crystal Lake, unfortunately, but it's all right, it'll do. Yeah. Let's hit the pond. It's getting close. It's getting closer now. The time is almost near. You having fun, baby? I love your butt. Kiss me from here. Love me forever. You gonna be mine forever? Okay.
You gonna be mine forever?
I hope so.
You gonna say I do?
Well, baby, I would like you to be with me forever. Will you marry me? All right, let's do this. Yeah, actually here, I'll just keep the ring in here and we'll just bring this. Will you marry me?
Of course, baby.
Where's the ring?
Marry me.
I can't kiss you from here.
No, kiss me. If I go in, it's okay. You could put it on.
Don't drop it in the lake.
It's at the car.
It's so beautiful. Baby.
Down it goes.
It's in the lake.
kiss. And I'm happy to present Russ and Stephanie Lyman.
I think I wanna marry